Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Zapier for Gmail follow-ups from LinkedIn, detailed guide step by step clearly. Visit the Zapier website at zapier.com. Sign in to your existing account or create a new one if you don't have an account yet. Once you're logged in, click on the Make a Zap button at the top right corner of the dashboard. In the Trigger App search bar, type LinkedIn. Select LinkedIn from the list of available apps. Choose a trigger event that suits your needs, such as new connection. Click the Continue button to proceed. Now, connect your LinkedIn account by clicking Sign in to LinkedIn. Authorize Zapier to access your LinkedIn account info. Once connected, click Continue to move on to set up the trigger. Test the trigger to make sure it pulls in the correct data. Click Test Trigger and wait for the confirmation that it has successfully connected. Next, we'll set up that action step of your Zap. In the Action App search bar, type Gmail. Select Gmail from the options provided. Choose the action event, such as Send Email. Click Continue to move forward. Connect your Gmail account by clicking Sign in to Google. Allow Zapier to access your Gmail account. After connecting, click Continue. Now, customize the email parameters. In the To field, map the recipient's email from LinkedIn. Add a relevant subject line in the subject field. Compose your follow-up message in the body section. Once you've filled in all the necessary fields, click Continue. Test the action by clicking on Test and Continue. Wait for Zapier to send a test email to make sure everything is working correctly. If the test is successful, you'll see a confirmation message. If everything looks good, click Turn on Zap to activate it. Your Zap is now ready to send Gmail follow-ups automatically for new LinkedIn connections. To make any changes, navigate back to your Zapier dashboard and select your Zap for edits. Congratulations on automating your follow-up process with Zapier. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.